Guys, it is the 18th of December and we are still frost free at this end of Salt Spring Island. I just want to show you frost tender leaves of this fuchsia plant, and it's still blooming. Got a few blooms on it. The hummingbirds absolutely love fuchsias, and we have other ones in the garden too. This is a pretty big bush. So they got these little kind of bell-shaped flowers on them that hang down, very exotic, and the hummingbirds get their little beaks up in there and I guess suck the pollen out or whatever they do. So our last frost was February 14th. February 14th, 2021. I think that's when it was, February 14th, so of this year. And now we're at the end of the year. I'm just going to show you our geraniums. There's no flowers on them right now, but there's flowers on the ones in town. These ones are kind of in the shade. So there's some geraniums there. And then we got some more here in the stump, and it was just the other day, like when was it? Last week we had passion flower blooming on that vine over there. We got passion vines, so not too bad. We have a long frost-free growing season here. Oh, I want to show you the loquats are still blooming. Loquat tree here, lots of flowers on it. Apparently they're fragrant, but you know, I can't get to them to smell. Can't smell them. The tree's too big, and I'm standing up on the sun deck zooming in on it. So there we go. So you can figure that out. We're over 10 months frost free right now at this end of Salt Spring Island. There's other areas of Salt Spring Island that have had frost, and probably lots of it. But here we have one of the longest frost free growing seasons. Fatsias are in bloom. There's other things in bloom in the garden as well, and there's a weather station right down there. There's our Stevenson screen. One of them, we have two Stevenson screens in our garden. That one's on kind of the halfway down a south slope. And right now we're just going to head out for a walk. So anyway, that's how things are going on Salt Spring Island right now. We got kind of a cloudy day, but not too bad. It's about 5 degrees Celsius here this morning. So maybe a little cool, but that's okay. It's a good day for a walk, and the garden is happy. All right? Hope you guys are remaining frost-free where you are, and hope you have a good winter. Because we don't know what winter has in store for us, really. I mean, it could still get cold, and technically it's not winter yet. It's winter in a couple of days from now. I think the 21st of December is equinox. So stay tuned for videos here, updates on the weather, on plants, on travel, whatever you want to see. But if it snows, you're going to see it. When we get frost, you're going to see it. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this YouTube channel. Cheers.